Today I'm going to show you how to make jam with your microwave. I use papaya for this jam, and this is a tree that grows close to my place. I picked a small papaya from that tree, and it is a bit green and the meat is hard. So if you like soft jam, so you can have a more ripe papaya. But I like the texture when it is not ripe. I skin the papaya and I dice it. I use microwave because it's much easier. I use less dishes and I don't need to kind of wash a lot of pots and pans because I want to just make it just two portion, uh, 1/4 of jam. So as I said, I cut first the papaya in small, tiny stripes, and then I cut it in cubes. So, as I said, for this jam, we just need not more than three ingredients as sugar, some rose water if you like, and some lime juice just to make the juice a little bit thicker. So now I have cut this in dices and then I fill the jar with it. So, and I cover it with the sugar. And I let that mix stay for at least 4 hours because the sugar can suck the juice out of the fruit. And this is that juice I need for to cook the jam with it. So when I cover this fruit with the sugar, I just make sure that I shake it and I make sure that the sugar reaches to the bottom of it. So all dices are coated with the sugar. Now I can squeeze half a lime in this mixture. As I said, the lime just makes the juice thicker when I cook it, so it's not kind of very running type of juice. So I let it wait for 4 hours, and now as you see it after 4 hours, you see that now the sugar sucked all the juice from almost from the fruit. So now I close this jar in the microwave, and now you have to be careful here. I use 20 minutes, time cooking for 20 minutes, but I changed the power level. So the power level must be low. I take this power level at 3. So the max power level for a microwave is 10. And that you must make sure that you have power level 3. Otherwise you can get overflow and the sugar and juice can flow over your microwave and the cleaning could be a hassle. So this is after 20 minutes and it is done. Uh, so I just let it cool down for a little bit and then I can try. It's not that hot, so but I can just try a piece to see if the meat is kind of not still not very hard. So this is good now. So what I do, as you see, the color is so nice, and this jam, papaya jam, is very tasty when you try it with the yogurt or at breakfast with peanut butter. I add a little bit rose water in it. I mix it with the rose water, and the rose water gives that extra kick to this jam. So this is done, and bon appetit.